Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to upload guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile app notification setting. And today video title guys how to turn off app notification in Infinix mobile. Friends, you don't want to use Infinix mobile any app notification, so how to turn off app notification one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video guys. So friends, open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, you can see this type interface in your Infinix mobile. Friends, in your Infinix mobile, open your phone, notification center setting. After the notification center setting, which app notification friends you don't want to use, select your app. Example friends, I want to off assistant notification, I don't want to use. So friends, after turn off assistant notification guys, I cannot use assistant notification in my device. Example guys, I will off Google notification. So after turn off Google notification, hence I cannot use in my Infinix mobile Google app notification. And friends, you want to use any app notification, so friends right click here, notification will on. So like that friends, you can use Infinix mobile app notification setting. So like that friends, you can off app notification and you can on. Friends right click here, app notification will off. Again if you click here, so app notification will on in your Infinix mobile. You want to on any app notification, Chrome app notification, Play Store notification, so you can on app notification and you can use it in your Infinix mobile. Click here, app notification will on, and again if you click, app notification will off. And friends, you can off app notification with shortcut setting. Example friends, you don't want to use your mobile Play Store notification, friends press on Play Store, click here app info setting, and you can turn off Play Store notification, and you want to use, so you can on Play Store notification. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I hope you understood how to use app notification setting.